This natural anti-aging collagen booster will make your skin look younger, firmer, and more radiant. It smooths fine lines, fades dullness, and gives your face that soft, dewy glow that feels alive again. Bookmark this recipe for later. Start with honey. It draws in moisture and keeps your collagen fibers strong. Then add aloe vera gel. It wakes up your skin cells, the ones that build new collagen. Next, add a few drops of lemon juice. They bring a gentle dose of vitamin C to brighten and support collagen production. Now, add olive oil. Rich in vitamins A and E, it feeds and protects your skin from damage. Finally, a pinch of turmeric to fight free radicals, calm inflammation, and smooth your skin's texture. Comment skin, and I'll send you today's free skincare tip.